This is Brenda from Cottontail Farms, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of KnitCrate, the September shipment, and let's see what's in there. Okay, so I love the colors they always pick. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Vidalana? I don't know how to pronounce that. But it's the colorway of lavender. It is 329 yards of superwash merino, silk, and cashmere. Oh my goodness. It's a sport weight. And wow, it's hand dyed for KnitCrate. Wow. Oh my gosh. That is really scrumptious. So that's pretty good. Got well over 600 yards. And let's see, the pattern book dash dot dash. Let's see. So here is a Anne Pottlesack. I'm so bad at pronouncing these things. And this is her wrap or shawl, West Wind. Looks very pretty. That would be really pretty with this. I may have to make that. That looks really nice. And it even has the chart. Gotta love it when they have the chart. And the crochet pattern, dash dot dash. Oh, how pretty. Cecilia Losada and Las Manitas de Blanca. That's very pretty as well. That's a very pretty crochet pattern, and crochet goes so quickly too. Boy, that makes it kind of hard to decide almost, but they're beautiful patterns. Really, really scrumptious yarn. I think I may have to make one of those. Thanks, and if you'd like more to see more unboxings and more fun fiber adventures, click subscribe below. Thanks. Bye-bye.